Chatty Parrot gives voice commands to new Ford Sync 3.
Hello?
Today we're going to test Sync 3's enhanced voice recognition.
Enhanced voice recognition? Ah! I'm hungry.
Please say a line number.
MLB.com at bat.
Opening MLB at bat.
Pirates. Ah!
Pirates game.
And the Pirates lose again.
Arr! Play playlist. Egg-making music.
Playing egg-making music.
Go ahead and make a call.
Call Sam's Parrot Emporium. Ah!
Calling Sam's Parrot Emporium.
Parrot Emporium.
Sam's Parrot Emporium. You buy, they fly.
Ollie want a life partner. What?
If Sync 3 can listen to Polly, discover how it can keep you connected now in a Ford.
Somebody call for a bird?
Hello?
Seriously?
Hey, I just work here.
Sync 3 with enhanced voice recognition. That's what's next.